Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be discussing the independent practice solutions to the Introduction to Ratios lesson. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as necessary to help you with the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice problem number 1. Part A. Write the ratio of pencils to pens. Part B. Write the ratio of pens to total objects. Part C. Write the ratio of pencils to total objects. Now is a good time to pause this video to solve this problem if you haven't done so already. Let's start with Part A. We will need to write the ratio of pencils to pens. There are 4 pencils and there are 6 pens. The ratio of 4 to 6 can be simplified as 2 to 3, so the ratio of pencils to pens is 2 to 3. Next, we need to write the ratio of pens to total objects. There are 10 total objects, so 6 to 10 will simplify down to the ratio of 3 to 5. Finally, we need to write the ratio of pencils to total objects. There are 4 pencils and 10 total objects, so the ratio of pencils to total objects simplifies as 2 to 5. Independent practice problem number 2. The table on the right shows the after-school activities for members of a 6th grade class. Part A. Write the ratio of soccer players to dancers. Part B. Write the ratio of math club students to basketball players. Part C. Write the ratio of math club students to non-math club students. Now is a good time to pause this video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. Part A asks us to write the ratio of soccer players to dancers. There are 4 soccer players and there are 7 dancers, so this ratio is written as 4 to 7. For Part B, we will need to write the ratio of math club students to basketball players. There are 8 math club students and there are 5 basketball players, so the ratio of math club students to basketball players is 8 to 5. Finally, we need to write the ratio of math club students to non-math club students. There are 8 math club students and there are a total of 16 other students. The ratio 8 to 16 can be simplified as 1 to 2, so the ratio of math club students to non-math club students is 1 to 2. Independent practice problem number 3. Your family decides to go on a vacation. You spend 3 days sightseeing in the city, 2 days on the beach, and 4 days camping in the woods. You use ratios to describe the number of days spent in each location. Part A. Write the ratio of days spent camping to days in the city. Part B. Write the ratio of days spent on the beach to days in the city. Part C. Use a fraction to express the ratio of days sightseeing to total days on vacation. Now is a good time to pause this video and work on these problems if you haven't done so already. For Part A, we will need to write the ratio of days spent camping to days in the city. Your family spent 4 days camping in the woods and 3 days sightseeing in the city, so this ratio is 4 to 3. Your family spent 4 days camping to 3 days sightseeing in the city. Next, you need to write the ratio of days spent on the beach to days in the city. This time the ratio is 2 to 3. Your family spent 2 days on the beach to 3 days sightseeing in the city. Finally, you need to use a fraction to express the ratio of days sightseeing to total days on vacation. This time the fraction is 1/3. 1/3 of the days were spent in the city. We know this because 3 days were spent sightseeing in the city and 9 total days were spent on the vacation. 3/9 simplifies to 1/3, which is how we got our answer. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.